Good afternoon, dear kids. I welcome you all to another EVS session. We are on chapter birds, and till now we had discussed upon different types of claws and feet in birds. In today's session, we will cover the topic wings and feathers of birds. Birds have two wings to fly. I think all of you are aware of this fact that wings are the special features that all the birds are having. They are covered with colorful feathers which keep them warm during cold weather. The wings together with the feathers are what allow a bird to fly. They provide the lift that is needed by a bird to get off the ground and move in the air. The bones of wings are particularly strong and light. This we had discussed earlier also, that birds have hollow bones, they have lightweight body, but the bones of wing part, they are particularly strong and light, and they are attached with muscles which makes flight of the bird possible. Feathers of the bird not only help the bird in flying or in maintaining their body temperature, but they also help the bird to blend in surrounding, to protect itself from preying animals. And children, each feather on the bird's body is finely tuned structure that serves an important role in the bird's activity. And feathers come in every color of the rainbow. And there are three types of feather in a bird: body feather, down feathers, and flight feathers. Body feathers. Body feathers are very small feathers that are present all over the body of birds. Means they are present all over the body. They cover the entire body of the bird. And these feathers give shape to the bird's body. As we had discussed earlier also, that birds have specially designed shape like an aeroplane. So this type of shape is also called streamlined shape, which can easily cut the air, and due to which birds can easily fly in the air. And these feathers are not only present all over the body, they also help in flying. Down feathers. These are also short and soft feathers. They keep the body of the bird warm. They are hair-like, soft and fluffy. And children, in some birds like herons, these feathers, they spread like fine powder all over its body to act as water repellent. Means due to these feathers, the birds they can prevent themselves from getting wet.